See this?
What was that?
That was the best. Like, see this thing? Watch where this goes.
The static on this.
See
Like, see
guys,
this thing?
see this thing? It goes right there.
I will go up the railing and drop it down the room.
Let's see what's gonna
And this
happen,
will
guys.
definitely fly.
Okay, tried it. Oh. Let's see how this flies.
Whoa!
Wait, that actually kind of flew though.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this paper airplane. That does not fly. Wait, it kind of landed though.
Go so far. See this thing?
Whoa, that was
Hey
amazing.
guys, you want to see another trick shot?
Yeah, let's go. Oh wow, that was. Wow.
Hey guys,
What?
this.
Nope. Where did that?
He actually made that fly.
Where did it
It
go?
went over there, behind there.
Wait, where did it go? Oh,
went up.
dude, wait, there's one
No,
up there.
no, there's glass right there.
No, but there's one up there.
There's glass right there.
Okay, I think we're done with the video.
Hey, Brayden, Andrew was trying to get that.
I got
that
it.
shelf.
Wait, this is the one that
Down
you
in
were
the
that you were
glass.
using yesterday. So let's see how this one flies.
Here, I'll do it.
It's not terrible. But where's the good one? Where's the good one?
Guys,
That was
watch
terrible.
This one.
All right, let's watch this one.
You want to see the good one?
Wow. Where did? Oh,
I think this is the good one.
right behind. Yeah, that's the good one.
Let's see it, guys. Oh yeah. Guys, too.
Okay. This one.
Let's see this one.
Hello.
Let's see this one, guys. Guys, we're done.
Okay.
Alright,